This box is huge. If you want to see what's in my latest Stitch Fix, and it is busting open, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. The barky boy in the background is Bandit, and Chloe is just getting ready for the week. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my most recent Stitch Fix. I'm doing it quarterly now. And this box is like bursting at the seams. So I want to get it open and show you all what's inside. I do have 8 items in here. I requested 8 items. I chose, I think, 5. And this time they did send me 2 additional. So I'm pretty excited about that. So I have no idea what 2 of the items are in here. Let's get into this. Now, Stitch Fix is a stylist subscription service, and you can get anywhere between 5 and 8 items in your fix. You can do it as often or as infrequently as you like. I'm doing it quarterly now because I needed some new clothes, but I don't need a ton, and I need like a little thing for each season. So, and I have Wannable too that I get from time to time. So, you know, I just wanted to kind of cut back a little bit on how much I had. And if you've never had it before, I've got a link down below that's going to get you $25 off of your first fix. All right, so this is the bag that you can send back anything that you need to return or exchange. Now, considering how big this bag is, if I have to return or exchange a variety of things, that's going to be an issue. I have several little packages. So first, I have this jewelry by Kivia, and this was one of my choices. And it's just some little earrings. All right, as you can see, if I put this way, you can see them all. And mostly studs, but I can only wear studs at work, so I thought that would be nice, and they were real pretty. And here's the note from my stylist, and I have Katie again. Here are my 2 packages, and there's some shoes. But look at these great colors. This I picked out and I'm so in love with. I cannot wait to try it on. Now these were some pricey boys, but I gotta tell you, they were so cute. So these are by Vans. They've got quite a little bit of a lift. And I was a little concerned because Vans can either go either way. They're either really comfortable or they're really uncomfortable. These got some great reviews. So people said these were the most comfortable sneakers that they'd ever worn. I don't know about that, but I said I'll give them a try. I think they were like $70, but so cute. And I mean, I can use that lift. Let's be honest, I'm 5'2". All right, so this says it's a Stitch Fix exclusive from Letty and Me, and it's just a long cardigan. But I love long cardigans, and I liked the colors in here. And so here's something. I updated my sizes, and so for my sweater size, I'm pretty much a medium these days. And I was like a large to an extra large, so I thought that a 10 was a medium. And when they sent me the preview, everything was in a large, and I was like, oh, these are all going to be too big. I know, problems, right? But, you know, I thought I'm going to have to return a lot of this stuff. So I did say, love these picks, can you get them for me in a medium? And it looks like they listened. Now this I am in love with, and I am hoping that this fits and looks good on, because look at that. Just the colors in there. It's got some nice pockets. and it is by Love Ellie. All right, next by Studio Blue, we have these pants. They look to be a straight leg, which I like. Maybe even a little tiny bit of a boot cut down there in the bottom. So if that's the case, I hope that they're the right length, because again, I'm 5'2". And this is in like a mauve, and they did just send me an email and they were like, mauve is the color of the year. So this, super cute. So I'm hoping the length is right. And by 9 Britain, this is just a long sleeve shirt to wear underneath of things. It has these cute buttons here, or snaps on the sleeve, and great color. Love that. And that was another one of my choice. I feel like that was one of my choice items, but because I know this was definitely a choice item by Letty and Me. And it's a 3/4 sleeve, but it's got some great colors in there, and it would go with a lot of different cardigans or by itself. All right, and this is definitely one of their selections for me. This is by Market and Spruce, and I can't say I don't like it though. It does have a hood, a little bit of a lace up front, ribbing. Oh, it was this and the pants that I did not choose, but I really like those pants. So let's get to trying things on and see how everything looks. Okay, here is the first outfit. So I went with the pants. They're a little bit large, so I'm hoping I can size these down because I really like them. And this top, which I also feel like I need to size down, but maybe this one was a large. Let's check on some sizes and some prices. Okay, so the Vans Old School Stack Form sneakers, size pink, color pink, size 8, 85. I did price these out though, and I could not find them for much less. And if I get the 25% off, remember, if I get 5 or more, I'm gonna get 25% off. It brought it down to the lowest price that I could find it for at Nordstrom's. And the Letty and Me 3/4 sleeve sweater in pink. This is a large, 49, so I'm hoping I can get this in a medium. The pants, they are the Studio Blue Stacy Utility High-Rise Boot Cut in a purple, 10 petite, 78. I love them, and when you're my height, it is very hard to find pants in sizes that work for you, so, or in lengths that work for you, so I'm not mad about that. And with 25% off, I'm less mad about it. And yeah, I'm in love with this for like the upcoming spring kind of Valentine's season. Absolutely, absolutely, yes. I absolutely love the stripes in here, and yeah, that is so nice. All right, crush finger guys that I can find this in a medium. All right, I'm going to keep these pants on, but try everything else on. I'm gonna have to use this hand because we still got the sprain. And here is that top that she chose for me, and it is super cute. It does have a hood. Now think about that with a vest when spring actually hits, because you know we've just found winter, so give us 2 months, we'll find spring. I don't know, what do you guys think? I do like the color. I do like it. Am I in love with it? I don't know that I'm in love with it. If it had those little thumb holes, I'd be in love with it. But it's super soft and super comfy. This is by Market & Spruce. It is the Allison Lace Up Ribbed, I don't know, brushed cotton maybe, in blue. And this is definitely like on that blue purple spectrum. Size medium, $49. And we're going to try it on with this because I thought this would really pull out some of the more purpley colors in here. And here is that cardigan. I would even, this is an oversized cardigan, so I would even go down a small in this. So this is something, if you do see it in your pics, if you do get stitch pics, definitely ask them to size that down for you because it's definitely oversized. Because I am in no way, shape, or form a small. I am amazed that I'm a medium because I still have quite a bit of a journey to go, but this is just, it's a big sweater, but I love it. I mean, I would probably keep it in a medium if I can't size it down. All right, I have 2 more items to try on, and then we'll look at the price of the earrings. And by the way, look at how nicely these earrings, now that I'm thinking about it, like the little purple studs there, yes, and then these, which is like a dark bluish purple, yes. Oh, these even say girls' night for these, every day, date night, every day, weekend. All right, let's try those last 2 items. All right, I went back and changed into my jeans because the purpley color just didn't go with the last outfit, but this, super comfy. All right, this is by Nine Britain, and it is the Colmar long sleeve button something, letter D, I don't know. And it's in dark green, size medium, and it is $45, and it is super soft, super nice. Love that little something extra there. Love this here. I always have to do that little turnaround for my friend Robin from Robin's Reviews and More. So she says, let me see it from the back. So I'm giving you that little view. All right, so I really like this. Let's try on that coat again. I think when I selected this green one, I actually selected it to go under the other sweater. That tag is in a really weird place. It keeps messing with the back of my head. All right, and so this is a little, having the long sleeves under the long sleeves is a little bulky for me. And you can kind of see it's like bulging in places because it's just kind of like stuck on it, you know. But I do like this. I do like the colors, and I think it's nice and cozy. I think I have to try it on with something else though, because with this, I'm not seeing it. So let me go get something else and try it on with something different. I'll be right back. All right, so I did try it on with this. This is just a little tank top that I got from the Gap, and I do like it much better with that. It's, first of all, it's the right color. It kind of matches the little burgundy in there, and very comfortable, very cozy, kind of like a nice hanging around with, you know, watching TV, that kind of thing, or going out, running errands, going to brunch. So I think it's definitely like something you could dress up with some jewelry and some shoes. Of course, I have it on with these shoes, but these are very comfortable, I will say that. And that is the Love Ellie Calypso long sleeve cardigan. No, wrong one. That is the Letty and Me Nicholas long sleeve cardigan in brown, size medium, 59. So overall, the prices weren't bad in this one. There were two expensive things. That's the shoes and the pants. And the overall price for this box was $466. With a buy all discount of 25% off, it brings it down to $349.50. I don't pay a styling fee because I do have a style pass. It looks like they did keep it for some. I think that the people who were constantly getting fast fixes and not purchasing anything, I think they kind of caught on to that and said, we just can't afford that. But for folks like me who typically keep 5 things that they get, maybe 8 this time, I don't know, it's a really hard decision. I love everything, and I do need things that fit me properly, but it is going to depend upon if those pants I can get them in a smaller size, and that one top that's a medium, if I can get that in a small. All right, well, what was your favorite item? I don't know, I really love that ombre cardigan, but looking at this together, this is such a pulled together look. This is like how I want to look. And I don't always feel like I pull that off. I feel like my clothes are either too big or just don't fit me right. I don't know, but this I feel like is a pulled together look. Like I feel like I could wear this to work tomorrow. Probably with these sneakers. Maybe with some bare paw boots. Not sure. All right. Well, thanks so much for spending a little time with me. Let me know your favorite item, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.